Yeah.
Look.
Nice.
Look.
Mm-hmm.
Want to do another one?
Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. We're watching 4th of July fireworks tonight. Nice.
I have to stop. Look.
Yep.
Now look at it.
Yeah, I see it, babe.
Send those to you.
Send whatever you can.
Oh, look.
Wow.
I gotta do another one.
That was a little low.
You wanna go to the street? Here, let's go.
No, they're fine.
Come on.
What's up? What's up? Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live.
That's why I said
What's up? 99, 98. Wow. Ow. 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 That hurt. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. Yep.
Is that enough? I'm glad we didn't.
Look.
Keep making sure everybody's okay.
Yep.
Face the phone a little bit towards the tree.
It is.
More.
Like right here?
No, the other one.
This way?
Uh-huh.
No, from now on, we know where to sit. It's over there.
I can still see it.
Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. Welcome in, guys. We're watching 4th of July fireworks tonight.
That's like it's done for. Oh, no, it's not.
What's up, Fast Edel? Welcome in. Eddie, I meant to say that. Welcome in. Boom. Whoa, that was a smile face. There's smile face. Nice.
It looks so cool behind the tree, though.
Yeah.
Don't it?
Yep.
I got plenty, right?
Let me see your phone. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. How are you? Look, and another one.
Go to the street real quick.
What?
I'm going to the street. I can't buy stuff.
See if you can see it better. Welcome in, guys. What? Yeah? Thank you for the hearts. Well, thank you.
Come over here and stand with me.
Well, what about our stuff?
Just sit right here and no one's going to take it. Come on.
Welcome, everybody. That was cool. What was that? Look.
There we go. I got another one. Look, this one's better.
Welcome in.
You can make the legs higher.
I know.
There you go. I got a good one.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Oh,
Or you want me to do more?
that's up to you, baby. Ow. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. Ow. 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 That hurt.
Here we go. There's that one too. We could do this one and that one. Look,
Yep.
we can make it closer too if you want. I like that one.
Huh?
Look at that one.
That was a circle.
That one.
Huh? That was a circle.
Huh? It's in the car.
Okay.
That was the upside down my face.
I know.
Look at that. Is that? I think I got plenty, don't you?
Yep.
We could do something behind the tree too. Here.
Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live.
I'm glad we did not leave.
Yep.
Hey guys. Are you having a wonderful 4th of July?
Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming to my live. Yep.
Put it down some.
Why?
Put it down some.
Why would I do that?
No, put this down some.
Go ahead and do it.
There. See? Oh, I didn't do that one.
Welcome everybody. I hope you are seeing this. That's not it. Welcome in. If you'd like to give me a follow, please give me a follow. Thank you for the follow. That was a heart.
Oh, smiley face. Smiley face.
Yep. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. How are you? Oh, I can't move my arms. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. Yep, that's enough. Yep.
10, 11. I got 11 of them. You gonna help me put them together?
Yep. Uh-huh.
Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, I like that with the green in the middle.
Thank you for the hearts. Can we get this up to 1,000? I mean 100 or
Can we get this to 5.0K, please?
oh, that's awesome.
I'm just checking my stuff.
Hey, go get our stuff and put it in the car.
I'll just put it back. I'll wait till it's done.
Okay.
Give my phone. Give my phone.
From now on, we know where it's coming from. We have
We
to,
sit right here.
no, we'll be over there. Oh,
Oh, that was pretty. You think I got enough?
yeah. Oh,
Don't want it
I
over.
can't move. Don't touch me. Nice.
I was watching fireworks. He was live.
Huh?
Are you on TikTok still?
Yeah. Who is it?
He's on TikTok.
Welcome in. Who is it?
I will show you some videos. He's on TikTok right now.
Tell her, come on.
Come.
Tell her I just sent her the live.
I want to send a couple videos to her.
Just tell her to come join. It's going on. I have it live right now. That's nice. Nice one.
I'm going to send that to her. I'll wait till it's done.
Just wait till it's done. Tell her to come in the live.
There we go. Let's do another one.
Hurry up, babe. No, tell her, come on. Welcome in. Thank you for coming to my live. How are you? Welcome, everybody. Make sure you follow me.
Wow, the grand finale, I think. Look over there, look over there.
Yep. Thank you for the hearts. That was awesome. I don't care right now. I don't care. I'm watching this.
Look. That
Yep.
looks like, what is it called?
I
I sent it to her.
Tap on that screen if you can.
I got too many.
Welcome in. How are you? How you been? I haven't seen you for a minute. Thank you for the heart me. How you been?
Hey. What's going on?
Boom.
Good, y'all.
I'm good. We've just been doing fireworks.
And we went swimming earlier and got sunburnt.
Yep.
Wow.
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 Can you please share it out, please, to people? What's up, Joe?
Can we get the 5K, please?
Boom.
This is nice. I'm glad we didn't win.
Yep. Boom. Nice one.
I think it's done.
No, it's not. It has to have the final one.
I think that was.
No, it wasn't. Oh, yeah.
I don't understand what she's saying. I sent her all the.
Come in my live right now.
This is Luke. I think that's a grand.
Hurry up. Hey, Renee. I mean, Nay. She's in there. It's really smoky. Nice one. She's in there watching.
Okay.
We're at 2.4K. Share it out if you can.
Let's try to get the 5K, please.
Share it out if you can too.
Too bad she don't live down here. She could have came with us. Wow. I think this is the grand finale.
I don't know. did that because there's some high ones. The final one. Welcome in, everybody. Make sure you follow me.
Wow. It's done.
Yeah.
It's over.
Okay, guys. Love you guys. Bye.